It has now been more than 2 years, and the release date for the DJI Pocket 3 is still surrounded by mystery. When people first started talking about it, many expected it to arrive much sooner, yet here we are still waiting. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think is causing the delay. Is DJI holding something big back, or is there another strategy at play? Today we're going to dig into the story and try to understand why this tiny camera has taken so long to appear. In our previous video, we talked about several predictions surrounding DJI's upcoming products. At the time, everything seemed to be lining up perfectly. The launches of the RS3 Mini and the Inspire 3 gave us confidence that DJI's release schedule was moving forward exactly as expected. But that brings us to the big question many creators are asking right now. If those products have already launched, where's the Pocket 3? Let's take a closer look at what may have happened behind the scenes. According to several industry insiders, DJI originally intended to release the Pocket 3 around April of 2023. That plan, however, appears to have changed when the Inspire 3 suddenly became the center of attention. The professional cinema drone to priority, which likely pushed the Pocket 3 further down the timeline. Even the Inspire 3 experienced its own delay, eventually launching in May 2023 instead of the earlier March target. Since then, DJI has remained completely silent about when the Pocket 3 might officially arrive, keeping fans guessing as the months continue past. If we look at DJI's typical strategy, the company rarely announces products far in advance. Most of the time, they reveal launch dates only a few weeks before the official release. That means the silence does not necessarily mean the camera is far away. In fact, some rumors suggest the Pocket May 3rd already be in its final development stages. There is speculation that DJI could introduce it sometime in the autumn of 2023, though nothing has been confirmed. The real question now is whether the long wait will actually be worth it. When it comes to features, the rumors start to get exciting. The Pocket 3 is expected to include a significantly upgraded lens system, and some reports even suggest it could feature a 1-inch sensor similar to the one found in the Mavic Air 2. If that turns out to be true, it would be a major step forward for such a small handheld camera. A larger sensor could mean improved image quality, better low-light performance, and far more flexibility for creators who want cinematic results without carrying heavy gear. Another rumored improvement involves dynamic range. Some sources claim the Pocket 3 could deliver up to 14 stops, which will allow creators to capture richer colors and more detail in both highlights and shadows. That kind of performance could make HDR video recording far more practical for everyday content creation. For people producing vertical videos on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, this could turn the Pocket 3 into an incredibly powerful storytelling tool. One of the most talked about upgrades, however, is the possibility of a removable battery. Unlike the Pocket 2, which used an integrated power system, the new model could introduce a modular design that allows users to swap batteries quickly. For content creators filming on the go, this could completely change the experience. Instead of worrying about the camera dying in the middle of a shoot, you could simply replace the battery and keep filming without interruption. Of course, it is important to remember that these details are still based on rumors and predictions. DJI has not confirmed any of these features, and the company is known for keeping its plans tightly controlled until the last moment. What we do know is that the Pocket series has built a strong reputation among creators who want stabilization, portability, and strong video performance in a compact form factor. At the same time, the Pocket series does face competition from action cameras. Devices like the Osmo Action Line and other compact cameras offer their own advantages, including waterproof designs, lighter bodies, and more budget-friendly options. For some users, those cameras may already provide everything they need without waiting for the next DJI release. But if you are someone who wants a premium handheld camera with powerful stabilization and the potential for high-end image quality, the DJI Pocket 3 might still be the device worth holding out for. Sometimes the best technology takes a little longer to arrive, and if the rumors turn out to be true, this small camera could end up making a very big impact. Let me know what you think about the Pocket 3 and whether you are planning to wait for it. Your thoughts and predictions are always interesting to hear. And if you enjoy staying updated on the latest tech cameras and upcoming gadgets, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss what comes next. With that said, Thanks for watching, and until next time.